Hey guys, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go quickly over how I edited my last video, why introversion isn't real, because it took a lot of work, and I know it hasn't got much views, but like it's the most viewed video in my channel. So I was thinking of doing an editing tutorial on it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I did was I wanted to create an intro that's catchy, something that will catch the reader's attention right from the get-go. And the topic I was talking about was related to comfort, to being in your comfort zone and not trying to get past it, and basically deluding yourself into thinking that you can't do something that you can't. So I made this creative intro, like just look at it. My bad. Uh, Control F, play.
Comfort, a state of physical ease from pain or hardships, also known as being a little pussy.
Yeah, that's basically my intro. Wait a second. Let me quickly turn on my. Okay. Yep. I think we're good right now. Oh yeah, so that's the intro. No, you notice something quite creative here. So let me quickly zoom in. So this is how it is. So I went on the internet and then I screen recorded. This is the original clip right here. Media pool. So I literally just recorded it off Google Translate, and yeah, and I got my clip, trimmed it a little bit, and then added it to my timeline. So I had to delete the video part of it because I didn't want people to see that. And I made this text notes on top. I made this yellow so that people will see that I made the word comfort yellow so people will see what I'm talking about. And I also added the tense, added each added each word to let me look at you on my inspector. Added each shot to the timeline. So and I tracked it evenly to make sure that everything falls in place, so it will sound very very smoothly. Yeah. Also kind of I made pussy bigger. I made the word so that people can see the main thing I'm talking about, and I also made a space. It's called the ripple in Resolve. So to give me the effect that I am, you know, to delay to separate the two clauses from each other. So this is the first clause and this is the second one. It gives it more dramatic effect and makes the user focus particularly on that particular clip. Yeah, so next I added this quick clip of a train moving. Yeah, my playback is kind of slow right now. So it's basically a train moving, and the text comes over and it says what introversion isn't real. And right here I made a J cut. So if you don't know what a J cut is basically making your audio start before your video starts. So towards the ending of the train clip, I dissolved it. You can see the darkness go. You can see the clip fading out. I also faded out the music, and I started the playback of my commentary right from here. Like you can hear me talking before the video even starts. Yeah, so right here I added an effect because I knew this video is going to be quite controversial because a lot of people that think they're introverts, like wouldn't find this funny or wouldn't find it very very funny. I knew they would get angry, so I did this effects with a little bit of sound effect. I found this meme on Paul 4.0, basically a channel on YouTube that posts all these Twitter memes and everything. Like if you're looking for quality meme content, that's the best place you can find it. We're all gonna fight, yeah. So it was quickly this clip of people fighting that I got. Yeah, so right after that I started my commentary. I did subtitles so that I can capture the reader more. I made this subtitle. I use this font called Rockwell. I use Open Sans and then I made the color yellow and then I make the background black because I noticed that yellow with a black background or a black drop shadow really adds to the effect of the video. And yeah, it looks perfect the way it is right now. I talked for a bit, actually for a long while. And then I make sure I spaced everything evenly. Yeah, and I did another J cut right here. So I wanted to start speaking. Start. I wanted to say normalize it, normalize that, normalize shutting the hell up, and continuing. I wanted people to focus on that and hear that before going to the next clip. So it sounds like this. Yeah, so that's how it is. I know my playback is terrible because my laptop has 8 GB of RAM, but hey, we've got to do what we've got to do. Yeah, also notice how I use text for this because I want people to see, because I was actually making, I was spitting bars this time, so I want people to see that, yo, I'm making like, I want people to focus on what I'm really saying. Like thinking about it now, I could have added like a little bit of shade to this text and then blur this one out a little bit so people will see the text better, but hey, it still works. And then yeah, what I want to focus on, I make text speaks like you aren't depressed, you just didn't read for your exams, you do not, yeah. So I said, so I made the you do not text like very big, starts very small, and then as we go on timeline, it gets bigger until we get to the next clip. Yeah, I made this one orange and very big, so people will focus on it. Like I basically just make my audio to match my video and my text. So we go on and on. Yeah, I did this clip of a boat. I actually found it on pexels.com. Yeah, with some music sounds and everything. Yeah, I made a mistake when I was recording the audio. I don't know, like the audio got fucked up and everything. But hey, we move. Yeah, so I got various clips of basically almost the same thing. Very similar clips, but they have different places. This picture of a ship moving. Yeah, I notice the ship is moving to the right. Yeah, I made this bureau too long, but I should have made it smaller. And then there's another clip of a similar background. I corrugated them the exact same way. And this is it moving. Yeah, so I made another J cut here. So basically, I start talking. So I start talking before. So I start talking before the clips end. Like this is where I start talking from, and this is basically where the clip ends. Yeah, yeah. So this is me. So I talked a little bit about how I experienced like some racist stuff on Omigo, but hey, we move. Yeah, then this is me again. Yeah, I had to cut the clip because it just a lot of boring shit to be honest. Then I added the clip of of where the guy was talking. And that is surprising thing. Like it was actually Indians, and it's quite black. So I don't understand why it's being racist to me. But hey, we move on. Yeah, so I recorded this clip on my phone of my side view, and then I used my webcam for the front view, so I quite of synced them together. So do what was happening when I was doing that from the side view, and do what was happening from the front. Quite funny, to be honest. I did another J cut again. Just start talking just before this clip ends. Start talking from the beginning for my next commentary. So basically, having J cuts like makes people like makes you move to the next clip without procrastinating, because if you don't really make if you don't really like it helps your audience keep their attention, because you don't really focus their attention. They're just gonna just stop watching your video, and it's gonna be a waste of time. Oh yeah, so thinking about it, like I think this would have been the best train clip to add at the beginning of the of the web. So this is what it looks like. Picture of a train. I kind of made it faster because the clip was actually plenty long, and then added this a sound effect of a train moving. So this is how it sounds like. Well, let me mute this real quick. The Okay, so I'm gonna play it again. So this is what it actually sounds like. That's the train and the sound effects moving. Yeah, so I talked more and more. Yeah, and I added another J cut here just to increase my just keep the audience attention. Like I should have added like a lot more subtitles there, but hey, I've got no time to waste, to be honest. So I found this really cool clip of a car drifting in the snow. I think it was in Toronto, and then I added a bit of music to it, and yeah, it came out. It was pretty long, to be honest, but hey, I think we can move past that. Yeah, this music and everything. Yeah, I would also like to say something. So when I edit, so I make three timelines for my editing. So basically, the first one is subtitles. Then the next one is like text. Then this is text, subtitles, text, B-rolls, your A roll, your first audio, your sound effects, and your background music of your commentary, and the music your for your listen for your B-rolls. Yeah, that's basically what it is. So let me go on. Yeah, after that I talk a little bit more. So yeah, after talking a bit more, so from basically from the end, I made the J cut here again. So I faded in the audio of the music just before the clip comes, and then this picture of a train going. I don't know why it's pictures of vehicles in this video, but like I feel like it was kind of cool, to be honest. And then just more audio. This is the this is a video of a lamp. I could have made it better, to be honest, but hey, I didn't think anybody was gonna get to the end. I did like some more sound effects towards the ending, and yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'm not going to edit this, so it's going to come out really rough, but hey, if you want another video, if you want another editing tutorial, just tell me, and I'll see what I can do. Alright, peace, bye.